Hi guys, in the first section we have discussed about built-in functions. So now we are discussing about user-defined functions. A user-defined function is a named part of a program made by the user. It can be considered as a subprogram within the main program. The naming rules of the function are same as that of variable. The function is defined using the keyword def and the function can be called from anywhere in the main program. The data passed to the functions are arguments. The function gives any value to the main program, then there will be a statement returned inside the function. Now look at a program by user-defined function. A user-defined function to find the cube of a numerical function. Then the program is def cube of n, return n cube, x equal to input, enter the number, print cube of x. This is the first function called print cube of x by 2.0. This is the second function call. This is the output of the program. Enter the number. If we put the number as 2, then we know 2 cube is equal to 8 and 2 by 2.0 is equal to 1.0. In this program, the argument of function is x. When we call the function, the value of x will be passed to the function cube. Now, the value of x will be stored in n. The function will evaluate the cube of the value and it will return to the main program. During the second function call, the argument passed by the function will be x by 2.0. The number of arguments in the function call and function def should be matched. Now look at another program in which the function does not return any value. Def design of x. Here there is no return value, so print hash star x, x equal to physics, design 30, print x, design 20. This is the output of the program. A function which does not return a value should not be associated with a print statement. Such a function does not associated with assignment statement. Now look at another program in which the function does not take any argument and does not return any value. In this function, there is no argument and no return value. So, the output of the program will be, this is the output of this program. Local variable and global variable. A variable defined inside a function is called local variable. It is not available outside the function. Some variables can be used in different functions for different purpose. But if we want a variable defined in one function can be made available in another function. In such a case, that variable is known as global variable. This can be done by using an instruction global. Now look at a program about local variable. This is a program. Def change of x, value is equal to x, value is equal to 10, x equal to input, enter an integer, change of x, print value. This is the output of the program. Enter an integer. If we put 100, then we get 10. Similarly, if we put 89, we get also 10. That is 10 is the value inside this function. Now look at a program for global variable. This is a program. This is the output of the program. If we enter an integer 100, we get 100. If we enter the integer as 56, we get the output as 56.